Hi, I'm Skylar. If you'd like to reinstall Firefox without reinstalling your add-ons, follow these steps. I'm in Firefox now, and I'm going to look at my add-ons. Click Extensions, and you can see everything that you've got installed. The simplest way to go about this is to remove each of these extensions. Now download the newest version of Firefox, which you can find just by searching for Firefox. In my case, I've downloaded it, and we're at 24 now. So what I'll do is quit Firefox completely, now that I've uninstalled those add-ons, and I'm going to go to my Applications folder. Here I see Firefox. I'm going to drag this to the trash. When you launch back up, you'll see that you don't have any of your old add-ons. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.